Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and I've got another unbagging from Amazon for you. Now, this canvas, I'm just going to say that I got it because, well, for one, it was only $5, okay? But I have a bird feeder up, and I like watching the birds when they come to eat, and I have had two birds show up at my bird feeder that I've had to Google because I didn't know what they were. Okay, so we have the cardinals and we have the sparrows and we have some, oh goodness, what are they called? We have some finches. We have got a woodpecker. What is that called? If I think of it, I'll say it if I think of it. So I've had these two birds show up that I did not know what they were, and I Googled them. Well, one is called a rose-breasted crocus or something. I don't know. I'll put it up here. And I'm going to put a picture because I took a picture of them. But I'll put a picture up here too. But it said that they migrate from Africa to the North America every year. And then they'll go back. And they're rare to see, apparently. I don't know. But I got two of them. All right, and then another bird that I have is an indigo. And I first thought it was a little blue finch, but it's not. It's a little indigo. And like I said, I'm going to put a picture of them on here. But one of the pictures that I took, we have bluebirds too. Chickadees. We had chickadees. There's several, but okay. One of the pictures that I actually took was of a cardinal and the little indigo bird sitting in a tree by the bird feeder. And that is what that put me in mind of. So I grabbed it. And like I said, I only give $5 for this. And it is a 30 by 40. But as you can see, it is a tree. And it's got some blue flowers and some pink flowers and stuff in it. But here is a bluebird. And then here is a cardinal, which I love cardinals. But, and they also say that when you see a cardinal, it is a loved one coming to say hello. So, I just think that they're just gorgeous. I love them. And then you've got a yellow butterfly down here. And it kind of sort of looks like these are cactus. With, you know, like the flowering cactus. So, anyway, like I said, the whole reason I got this canvas was because of the two birds. And like I said, I'm going to put pictures throughout this video of showing y'all the birds that have been coming to my bird feeder. So, this is a 30 by 40. I only gave $5 for it. There is the thumbnail. And it has a schematic on the top left. There are 30 colors. And they are DMC charted. And it looks like I'm going to have numbers and letters. And just a couple of symbols. And then we also have the thumbnail and the schematic in the top right. Alright, so let's look at the toolkit. So, now even though there's not very much in this toolkit, this is a good boat, y'all. This is one of those, what is it, a Mosfa. Every time I say that, for some reason, I want to say Mufasa. But anyway, alright. So we've got a Mosfa boat. We've got pink wax. We have got a multi-placer that looks like maybe a 7. We've got a pink pen with a blue squishy, and it looks like a 2 or 3 placer. All right, that's not a bad toolkit. It's not a whole lot, but it's not a bad toolkit. Alrighty. So, well, there's some 310s there, huh? Alright, so let's look and see how they have these. Oh, goodness. Alright, so, ooh, these are good baggies too, y'all. Look at that. Ooh, that's cool. Alright, so these are individually bagged, and they are rounds. And they do have the DMC numbers on the bags, plus the number of, what number they are. So, I'm not going to call all these out, but we will go through them, and you can look at them. So, we got blues and greens. Woo! Okay. And we've got reds. More blues. Alright, so here's a little bitty teeny tiny bag of 522. So, alright. That's weird. Look, we have more itty bitty bags, and I don't even know what that is because it's cut. I'll figure it out though. Okay, here's another one. And the numbers on that. There's another one. These are really bagged up weird. But I do like their baggies. These are good baggies, y'all. These are, if I can get the stickers off of them when I get done. Or I don't even have to pull the stickers off. Because if I get done with them, I can just put them in my drill storage. Okay, anyway. Some greens. And some pinks. There's the 310s. There's another tiny bag. That's a big old full bag of the 807s. Alright, there's another tiny bag. And look, if you have ABs, you could put some ABs in here. Yeah. So that's just kind of strange, the way they've got these. But, I don't care. Like I said, I mostly got it. I mean, I think it's pretty. And it's not bad for $5 because that's a true 30 by 40. But the way that they've got that is kind of weird. Let's see. Very sticky. And we will go down and look at the drill field. It's going to be very confetti heavy. Okay. Drill field doesn't look horrible. Just lots and lots and lots of confetti. A lot of confetti. And I can see too, there is the canvas itself. I don't know if you can see it in this lighting, but it's kind of glittery. Or sparkly, not glittery, but sparkly. And I know I have a glare. I'm doing the best I can. So what do y'all think about this canvas? I think it's pretty. I mean, I really do. I'm not a huge bird person, but I do like watching my bird feeders. But I just really like this because of the picture that I took. Of course, that's not the same bird, but it's a bluebird and it's a cardinal. So, all right, y'all. So what do y'all think about this? Have y'all seen this one? Have you done this one? Let me know in the comments. Do any of y'all like birds? Are y'all bird watchers? I have I have 3 big bird feeders. And then I have 2 hummingbird feeders. So, yeah, I like to feed them. And then I went and got some corn, you know, on the cob that you feed the squirrels. Well, I guess I have picky squirrels because they're not eating it like I thought they would. But I bet if I went and got some peanuts, I bet they'd eat that. So, because our yard is full of trees and I've got 4 squirrels. I mean, there's tons of squirrels out there, but there's 4 in particular that play in my yard. And one is as fat as a fat cat, y'all. I mean, he's huge. So, all right, y'all. Well, anyway, let me know what y'all think about this canvas. And until my next video, I'll see y'all later. Bye, y'all.